Anapana meditation, also called Anapanasati in the ancient Pali language, is one of the most fundamental and universal meditation techniques. The word Anapana means breath in and out, and Sati means mindfulness. Together, it simply means mindfulness of breathing. This practice was taught by the Buddha himself over 2,500 years ago as the very first step in meditation. It continues to be practiced today by monks, nuns, and ordinary people across the world. It is also the introductory method in many Vipassana meditation courses because it lays the foundation for deeper awareness. How do we practice Anapana? Find a quiet place where you will not be disturbed. Sit cross-legged, or in any upright, stable posture with your back straight and your body relaxed. Close your eyes gently. Bring your attention to the small area between your nostrils and the upper lip. Simply observe the natural flow of the breath, as it comes in and as it goes out. Do not try to control the breath. Do not force it to be deeper or slower. Just notice it as it is, whether long or short, warm or cool, shallow or deep. If thoughts arise, do not fight them. Simply bring your attention back to the breath, again and again. Beginners may start with 10 to 15 minutes in the morning and evening. Over time, the practice can be extended to longer durations. With regular practice, the wandering mind becomes calmer, sharper, and more aware. Traditionally, Anapana is mentioned in the Mahasatipatthana Sutta, the great discourse on mindfulness. The Buddha described it as the first subject of meditation. By observing the breath, the practitioner naturally develops concentration. This concentration forms the doorway to deeper practices like Vipassana, insight meditation, and even higher states of stillness known as jhana. Anapana is not just a relaxation method. It is a direct path toward mindfulness, awareness, and ultimately liberation. Now let us explore the benefits of Anapana meditation, where ancient wisdom meets modern science. Psychological and cognitive benefits include reduced stress, anxiety, and anger. The practice improves focus, alertness, and memory. It helps regulate emotions, builds self-discipline, and enhances confidence. Physical and social benefits include improved work efficiency and productivity. It cultivates compassion, inner peace, and joy. Clinical studies have shown benefits for heart patients, including improvements in blood sugar, cardiac markers, and overall emotional health. Educational and societal benefits are also well documented. For children, Anapana sharpens memory, creativity, and learning ability, while reducing aggression and restlessness. Teachers find students calmer, more attentive, and more joyful. On a larger scale, the practice is used in schools, workplaces, and even prisons as a non-sectarian tool for creating more peaceful and harmonious societies. Scientific research confirms these experiences. Randomized controlled trials show that observing the breath lowers anxiety scores, reduces anger, and strengthens emotional resilience. Brain research shows improved self-control, better coping strategies, and more balanced emotional responses. Science agrees with ancient wisdom. Simply being mindful of the breath changes the way we think, feel, and live. Anapana meditation is simple yet profound. It does not require belief in any religion, nor does it ask you to change your lifestyle. All it asks is that you sit down, observe your natural breath, and remain aware. Through this small doorway, you begin a journey into self-awareness, peace, and freedom. It is suitable for children, beginners, and advanced practitioners alike. With regular practice, Anapana becomes more than just a technique. It becomes a way of living, a constant remembrance of the breath, of awareness, and of the present moment. So whenever you feel stressed, distracted, or disconnected, simply pause. Close your eyes and return to the breath.